I'm going to take a look at what the power output of a person is, and we're going to find out it's about 100 watts. And the reason we're doing this is earlier we had done a video in which we calculated how much carbon dioxide was produced by the world's population. And a number of people who saw that video contacted me and asked me to show how you calculate the power output of a person. And it's really simple. We'll take the example before that we had of saying that a person consumes 2,000 calories in one day. So all we have to do now is convert this to watts. We have the right units here. Calories is energy, day is time, energy over time is watts. So to work it out into watts, first thing we'll do is remember that the calories that are associated with food, that's a capital C. So we have one capital C, and that is equivalent to 1,000 calories that you normally talk about in the lab, and that is where, that's the amount of heat or energy that it takes to raise 1 gram of water 1 degree centigrade. So all we've done now is we converted the capital calories to the small calories. Now we can convert the calories to a convenient unit of energy, and that will be the joule. So how many calories are there in a joule? Well, that number varies for depending on what subject you're talking to. So I just like to round it out to 2 digits and say 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules. One of the more accurate numbers you'll see is something like 4.1885. Or wait a minute, it's 1.868 joules equals 1 calorie. But we'll just round that out to 4.2. So the next thing that we have to do is convert the days to seconds. So we'll have 1 day. So we're just continuing the multiplication process down here now. So 1 day is 24 hours. And 1 hour is 60 minutes. So all we're doing going along here, we're actually multiplying by 1. 1 day is the same as 24 hours. 24 hours is 1 day. 1 day over 1 day is 1. So we're multiplying by 1. And then 1 minute is 60 seconds. So you can see, looking at that's going to be roughly 100. And if you work it out, it turns out to be 97 watts. We have joules. All the units cancel out except for the joules per second. And that's equal to 97 watts. And what we say is that's approximately 100 watts. So if you look at a 100-watt light bulb, that's basically equivalent to the power put out by 1 person. And that's assuming using 2,000 calories a day. If you don't like that number, you can change it to something else. But the point is that the power output of a person is approximately 100 watts, and this is how you do the calculation.